but don't
Ma'am,
give. Yeah,
ma'am, I wrote a own answer, ma'am. Like yesterday, you taught me. I wrote. It is
yeah.
a powerful accounting software
Okay.
which is supported by a technology called
Mm,
multiple.
mm.
It means that different with many languages we can open the tally.
Yes, we can work on. We can record different language. Really,
Business
that is,
transactions related in the tally short
yeah.
software.
Or you can make it simple that accounts can be maintained in their own mother tongue or in their own language. Com,
Okay,
what is that? Comfortable language.
okay, ma'am.
Good, good.
Tally, the development of Tally is Bharat Goenka.
Okay,
Founder of Tally is S.S. Goenka, ma'am.
okay.
And it is situated in Bangalore, Karnataka, which is Kormangala.
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am. Then,
And to license two types of tally users.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Two types of users are
Hmm.
single user,
Hmm.
what for single,
Hmm.
in addition, multi users, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what. See.
Yes, ma'am. With one single user means
Hmm.
with one system, only one member can, ma'am. Only
Hmm.
one user use system. But
One
in
user.
coordination,
Hmm.
more than 40 computers can share the other system, ma'am. Like any.
Yeah. See, single user, one user can use at a time. Okay. It
Yes, ma'am.
means that one user means either the computer or the person who operates the computer, one computer at a time. So we
Okay.
cannot say only one computer at a time. So one user at a time. In multi user, more than one user. That's it. Don't mention 40 and all because see, it
Okay,
can be
ma'am.
used 100, 200
Okay, ma'am.
also. But you should mention just simple more than one user can use
Okay,
the
ma'am.
same license at a time, multi user. Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am.
And guys, I'm telling you, try to write the answers on your own and tell me. I will correct you. I will give notes. If I give my notes, it is usually I will not give notes. I will teach you in the computer lab. Usually that is what I do only for the tally. Only important question I will check. I'll check your corrections. I will whatever mistakes you would have mentioned in the sentences, I can correct it. See now what happens as per Rashmi. I'm not telling to everyone, but try to inculcate this kind of writing. Don't wait for the notes. That means you listen what you understand, write it, and next day in the class you tell, "Ma'am, my answer is correct or not. I have written in this way." Is that okay? So now Rashmi need not to study these questions because she is already written on her own. That will be there in her mind. She's ready for the exam. So prepare yourself in that way because you guys are um writing what notes I give, so that you may write well. That's what you will be reading 20, you will remember 10, and you will write only 4 or 3 in the exam. Rest of things your own words. Better than write your own words now only. So you will remember forever that question. You need not to prepare. You are ready for the exam. That day, whatever topic I teach today, you should say, yes, I'm ready. This question comes in the exam. I'm ready today. Don't say I will study before the day of exam and I will make myself ready. Please, guys, because if you practice this way, your PG educations will be very very difficult and tough. So try to write on your own. So whoever has not written the questions, I want the answers too. Today also I'll give questions. See, if you don't write yesterday questions, you have to write today questions as well. So it is a burden to you. So I will start my session. It's a very important. Only one question today because it is a 14-mark question. I will first will tell the complete things. I will show the practical in this computer trally. You have to take the screenshots to your mobile. Take a screenshot. Don't forget to take a screenshot. I will give the question. I will tell how to write. You write and come tomorrow. Let us discuss how. Let me ask you question based on that. If you have answered well, then you have understood good today. Okay. I will not share notes. I because yesterday I thought I said I will share, but later I decided not to share. Let me see how you guys will involve in writing my subject. Okay. So I'm very happy, proud that one student have written on her own. Very good. That is enough for me. So today I want to see the more numbers. I'll stop my video because that affects network. So look at the screen carefully. Very, very important question. This question repeats. Now, can you, anyone can tell me which option I should choose here?
Work in education mode.
Okay, what's your name?
Vinay ma'am.
Vinay. Good. Work in education mode. Careful, guys. So, yesterday we have seen this screen, tally screen, isn't it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Title bar, menu bar, gateway of tally, shortcut button bar, tally licensing and configuration, calculator. So I want you guys to remember all the 6 steps on the tally screen. What are the 6 components on tally screen? Question will be in any way. Explain the tally screen. List the components of tally screen. That is nothing but the same. Title bar is one component, menu bar is another component, and gateway of tally is another component. Shortcut button bar is another component, and licensing and configuration is another, and calculator. Shortcut key for calculator, control N. Shortcut key for main screen, control M. Okay. Now, company info. Look at this menu. Select company, login as remote user, create company, backup, restore, quit. I, I told you yesterday, I repeat again. Select company, it is used to, yeah, it is used to create a company which is already created in Tally. Okay. Login as remote user, this option helps user to connect the company in online. So remote user, remote means wherever I travel, wherever I am there, I can access my company transactions. I can enter my transactions. I can edit my transaction. I can take printout of the financial report wherever I am there. For that purpose, login as remote user. See, when it comes to writing, you just mention it. Login as remote user. It is used to connect Tally company in online. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tally.net. Because of tally.net feature, this tally can be connected in online. ಅದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ that is where how can I connect? I have to use this button. Now today, this is a question, guys. Please, all of you, take your pen and paper. Take the question. How to, don't write any answers now, you are going to see completely. You have to write it when you're free schedule. That I will be checking in the next class. How to create company in Tally. It is a 14 mark question. Very, very easy to write. Nothing is there. It's a simple one complete process. Okay. How to create a company. In this question, I'm going to teach you how to create a company, how to alter a company, and how to delete. So there are 3 concepts under this question: creation, alteration, deletion. Okay. Now let us see create a company. Guys, why I am teaching this? When you are entering to the computer lab, you will be opening the Tally software. The first job is you to create a company. Only then you can able to do transactions, you can able to record a transaction. Now I have to create my company to enter my sales, purchase, payment transaction in that. Without creating company, you cannot do any transactions, you cannot maintain your accounts. All of the company accounts have been grouped under the company. So first we have to create the company. I am pressing enter. Take the screenshot of the screen. Everyone, take a company creation screen. The complete information what is there on the screen you are going to write. in the process of company creation. With if you draw the screen beautifully and if you explain, you will get 14 out of 14. But all the informations are very easy. Just focus what I'm saying, all of you. If my voice is breaking, please tell me, guys, because I have fixed. I'm sitting where I am not getting the network issue. Please tell me. I repeat again. Okay. Now, this is a company creation. Look at this button, company creation. I'll make it a little bit big. See, company creation. Under this directory. This directory is nothing but in the computer where my company data have been located. It is under the C drive, user, public, tally.arp9 folder and data. So here what happens, my company data, because if I am not able to open the company in the tally, but I can recover the data which is stored in the hard disk. So directory is nothing but path of the data file stored in the tally folder. So directory is nothing but path of the data, tally data. That's it. You have to write. Whatever I am saying, please note down it one line by pencil. Just write, start write, directory. You have taken the screenshot of this. Okay. Take in the note, whatever paper pen you have. I will tell the steps once again later. Just you make a point, write one by one. Directory. Directory means path of the tally data stored in the hard disk. So in the computer, I will show you this path also. Once company created, how can I show you through the my computer? Okay. So directory is nothing but path of the tally data stored on the hard disk. Next, name. NAME name. Here I have to type the company name. So I'm typing BCom 4th SEM. You can type any of your, what is your dream company if you have. BCom 4th. Or generally what tally people teach, ABC company. So I will type Silicon company. Anything is your wish. Name should be your name. You can give Mithun Private Limited, Rashmi's Private Limited, Sahana's Enterprises, Vinay Modern Private Limited. Anything you can name it. Okay. Next, now after company name, the first part of the data is primary mailing data. In that mailing name is nothing but the company address name. That is company address name. Generally, a company will have two options. One is the company may receive letter in the name of the founder or the managing director. Few companies receives official letter in the name of the company itself. So you can edit this. If you want, you can edit this. Just delete and you mention your name. So my company name, my company mailing name, that is address name is BCom 4th SEM. I can edit. That is not a problem. But it depends. When you're creating in a working place, you have to be careful. All this information will be print on the bill. So the company data is very, very important when you are working in the job, when you're in the job. Please carefully find them, what should be there, what should not be there, and you have to fill. Next, address. But you are learning here how to fill the data. How to fill the data that you are learning now. Now, address. Address is nothing but the company location. Guys, can you see the share screen?
No, ma'am.
One second. Yeah, now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I was talking about mailing name. You can change the mailing name. Do you understand this, guys? Please tell me. Name, mailing
Yes,
name.
ma'am.
Next, address. Generally, address how you have to give. Give it one by one, street name, location, everything separate. Don't give together. If you give together, it will take it, but it will look like this way. You cannot read the address properly, so don't do this. So what I will say, JP Nagar, Konana, Kunte, and Bangalore. You need not to give Karnataka and all, because it will come in the next part. So country, once address is done, there is no more address to be entered. Just press enter. I am using enter button for every line. Okay. Now country, see, I have told you the list of countries. So many countries are there here. Those countries are using tally in their places, these companies. So out of this, I select India. Next is state. In India, almost all the states are using the tally. So Karnataka. Now pin code 560062. Next, contact details. Do you understand this? Primary mailing details. Primary mailing details which has information of address, company mailing name, country, state, pin code. Just you mentioned it. Country is nothing but where the company is located, company's country name, company's state, and company's pin code. That's it. In one line explanation, guys. Not no theory, no paragraph to be written. Just I and data to be filled. ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಫಿಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next, contact details. So second part of the company creation is contact details. Is nothing but phone number. Next, mobile number. Then fax number. Put some numbers, don't leave blank. Email ID, your email ID only you put. Then website. Okay. This is the contact. See, email ID, website is also comes under the contact details. Okay. So contact details, it's not only the phone number, fax, email, website. So I have filled the. See, next, very important. Next part of the company creation is books and financial year. It's very important here. Financial year begins from, generally, financial begins from which month to which month? You're all account students. Can anyone say?
Ma'am, 1st April to 31st March, ma'am. It is the
Yes.
accounting year.
Yeah. So financial accounting period is April to March. So here financial year begins in as per the tally. You must give only the financial year beginning date and the month and the year. No need to mention at all 31st March. Tally will take it automatically the 31st March. Be careful when you are entering financial year. You have to give only 1/4/2021. Okay. And what is this? This is nothing but which month, which date your company going to start the transaction. This option is given why? Because few companies, as financial year term is common to all the company, April to March. But few companies may start the business transaction in the month of June. If they don't have exactly effective financial support, they may not start the transaction in the month of April. They may start their company transactions in the month of June or July or sometime September also. Few companies may start it because of their some other issues. So books beginning from is nothing but which date, which month the company transaction is going to start. That date is to be entered. For my company, as per this company, this company transaction is going to start 3rd May. Sorry, 31st May I'll give. And one more thing, guys, I'm using educational versions. Education mode same as the license, But one different is because it's an education. Without license, I'm teaching this. There will be a one problem we should have, like how do we have in the Zoom that after 40 minutes, again you guys to re-log in because it is a education mode, education version of Zoom. Same way in Tally, education version of Zoom, Tally is like it doesn't support the date properly. For example, education version of this Tally can accept only three dates, that is first, second, 31st. It will not accept 3rd to 29th. That date I cannot enter. See that if I try to enter third year, I have to press enter. Here if I'm giving 3rd May, look at that, I will get beep sound. See, my cursor is not moving down because this is education license. It does not accept 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th up to 29th, 30th. So education version accepts only which date. See, if I 1 4 is there, I'm pressing enter, my cursor is coming up down. Now I'll give 2 5 2021. Yes, 2 5 is accepting. And I'll give 31st May 21. Yes. Do you understand this? This is the difference between education version and in the license all the dates transactions can be recorded, whereas in education version it doesn't accept any other date except three dates. Remember this: first, second, 31st. So what is I'm thinking, my company transactions going to start in the month of May 31st. Guys, I'm repeating again, financial year begins from, you should give only April month. You should not mention the March. Second, books beginning from. Sometimes students what they will do 1 4 2030 1 4 2021 and here they will give March 31st. A financial end date ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. No, that is wrong. Read this line, books beginning from. That is nothing but which month, which date your company transaction going to start. So I have entered 31st to 5. Okay, enter. This is security control. This I will teach you once. First, let me create the basic company. How does it look like? Then we will come back to the security. Okay. Guys, do you understand? I have completed primary mailing details, contact details, books and financial year. 3 blocks I have completed. Security control I will teach again now. Okay. Yes or no? Shall I go ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now I come to the base currency. Base currency is nothing but the our currency because I have selected the country India. If I select some other country, look at the currency changes on the board. See that dollar, Australian dollar, and their decimal portions is called cent. Will they give space? Yes. Will they show amounts in millions? No. It's a symbol suffix to no. So these are the, based on the company you select, Tally will display automatically the currency of the country. You need not to bother about it. You need not to do anything. You need not to prepare separate currency information. Just to select the appropriate country for the company in the company creation. Automatic currency date will come. So now I will see that. Just I'm going to see the line by line. Mithun, can you read the first point?
Yes, ma'am. Basic currency symbol.
Mm. So it is rupees. Just read that instruction. Okay. Base currency symbol. It is our Indian symbol. Look at the symbol. In some system there is no symbol. Then it will show RS. So even when we write, we will put RS rupees 10,000 rupees. So that is our currency symbol. Next,
Formal name.
formal name.
INR.
Formal name. INR stands for, what is INR expansion?
Indian National Rupees.
Yes, very good. Next, suffix. Yeah.
Suffix symbol to amount. No.
Where, guys, tell me, when we write rupees 10,000, is that symbol in the suffix of the amount or prefix of the amount?
Prefix.
Prefix. We write first. We don't
Yes.
write 10,000 rupees. If you are writing rupees after the amount, that portion is called suffix. But we write rupees 10,000, so it should be prefix. That is why here it is showing your symbol should be suffix. That's why it is given no. If you give yes, right, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 10,000 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರುಪೀಸ್ 10,000 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ symbol for Indian currency symbol should be prefix to amount. Next.
Add space between amount and symbol.
Yes. When we
Yes.
write, we'll give space, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
We give space between the amount and the symbol. So it is yes. Next.
Show amount in millions.
We will never show amounts in millions. We shows lakhs and crores.
Crore.
Yes. Next.
Number of decimal places 2.
Yes. After rupees, for example, 2 rupees 50 paise. 50 paise. After point is called as a decimal. After point, 2 places, 5 and 0. So Indians will have only number of decimal places 2. More than that we can, but still if you have 4 digit, 50000 if you have, it is considered as 50 paise only. Okay. Next.
Word representing amount after decimal. Paisa.
Yeah, we call it as pice. The before the decimal we called as rupees. After decimal we call it as paise. 2 rupees 50 pice. Okay.
Number of decimals places for amount in words.
So even when we write amounts in words also, number of decimal places, when we write, we will put 2 only. Even if it is 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 4 decimal idruno, we will write it as at the end 2.50. Okay. So that is also 2 only. Okay. Good, Mithun. So this is a base currency. Now my cursor is here. Guys, have you taken the screenshot? This is filled one.
Yes, ma'am.
Take the screenshot. The same way you have to write it. Instead of company name, you put whatever your dream company name. Okay. Parappa. ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ. Only Rashmi, Mithun are keep on talking. Dhanushri, Sahana. ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ವಾ ಯಾರು? Okay. Sandeep, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next you are going to read this. Now what I will do, guys, number of decimal places for amounts it is done. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ cursor ಇಲ್ಲಿ then calling. See this. When you enter at the last line, Tally will ask you accept yes or no. If you press enter or if you type yes, your company will be created. If you press escape ಅಂದ್ರೆ no ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ accepted. ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ accepted, that is no. Okay, now I'll press enter. See, the company is created. Wait, one window has come. I'll stop share. Guys, can you see the company creation window? Now you see the gateway of Tally screen is filled. Look at that gateway of Tally ನೋಡಿ current period. ನಾನು ಬರೀ April 1/4/2021 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. Tally will take automatically, I told you, 31/3/2022. This I didn't mention anywhere in the company creation, but Tally has taken automatically. That is why Tally is a powerful accounting software. Number 1. Number 2, current date. You can start your business transaction as per the convenient and financial, based on the financial. So see, I have entered my company current date is 31st May 2021. See, this current date is nothing but which day, which month I'm going to start my company transactions. I cannot enter, if I do any transaction in the April month, I cannot enter. For that, I need to edit this date. Okay. Next, name of company. I have entered Silicon company name, so that is displaying here. And date of last entry, no voucher. There is no transaction I have started. Just I created my company. Yesterday we were seeing all these areas were blank. Today it is filled because of company creation is done. And see this gateway of tally. This is another question. This menu, this is a main menu of the tally. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಗೇಟ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮೆನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಯುಟಿಲಿಟೀಸ್, ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ, ಕ್ವಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ, I repeat, look at this side. Be careful guys, when you open the tally, gateway of tally iralla, company info menu irutte, smaller one. Once you selected the company, your tally screen will change in this mode automatically. Okay, let me show that. So have you taken the screenshot of the company creation? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now my next, I have created my company, but I want to change the current date. I may start in the month of 1st May. I want to edit this, or I did some major mistake in the company creation, I want to delete it. So how do I do that? First, look at this button bar. Yesterday, even now before, when we opened the tally, there were empty except F12, correct? Button bar.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you
Yes,
look at the button bar is filled with a lot of shortcut key combination. That's why it is called shortcut key button bar. If you don't remember, you can see the shortcut keys from here itself and you can operate. But practice, you will be getting 6 mark question. They will ask you some 6 shortcut keys. You have to write the name only. You can score out of 6. Which shortcut key for which purpose? Okay, and every day 2 or 3 shortcut keys you are going to learn in the classroom. So please note down all the shortcut key with the name. I repeat twice or thrice. Okay, now we can operate this company through shortcut keys, because the more you practice with the shortcut key, you remember the shortcut key so that you can write it in the exam well, and you can do the transactions very faster. Shortcut keys are very user friendly in tally. That is another features of tally. Whatever you understand, whichever you feel, yeah, it is very easy, it is very convenient, it is very helpful, those are all called features of tally. Don't mug up the features of tally points. Whatever you do every day, note down 1 or 2 to 3 features. At the end of the tally class, you see you would have written in 25 to 40 features. That itself enough to write the tally features beautifully. So today I'm first shortcut key. I'm pointing a shortcut key. What is the name of the shortcut key and what is the key combination I have to use? Yesterday I was telling you, if it is a key underlined by single line, it is alt. If a key is underlined by double line, it is control. So can anyone guess? This command is called shut company. Shut company means I want to close this company. Either I can click on this button. If I click on this button, no use, I will not remember the shortcut key. So what is the shortcut key I should use now? Tell me guys.
Alt
Alt
F1.
F1.
Very good. Please all of you write it in your note. Alt F1, or you can write the same way. Example inge ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. F1 below one line ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Write it F1, both the way you write alt F1 or F1 below one underline. May write it. It is used to shut a company in tally. Now I am pressing alt F1. Have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
It is used to shut a company. SHUT. Shut is nothing but close. But exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಶಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಶಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, SHUTCMP, short form. Now I'm pressing alt F1. Look at that, company is closed. Now tell me, Earlier, I don't have company, so I created now. Now I have created. My company is there in the tally. Where shall I go and see the company? Which option should I?
Select company.
Select company.
Exactly, very good. I told you select company is used to select an existing company, means which is already been created. Now I'll press enter. So there are two companies. So Micromax, that is someone else, Silicon company. See, by name itself, you can identify that is your company, and I'm selected. You have to use the arrow keys, up and down arrow. You have to use, or if you press yes, automatic only that company in the name. Look at this. I'll delete the path. In the name, cursor will blink. Okay. So there, if you type yes, only your company. So it is selected. Either use up and down arrow, or you can see my company
Ma'am?
got. Yeah.
Ma'am, the data you have entered, it is saved in internet or in your computer storage, ma'am?
In my computer storage. It's not in the internet. Because see, if F4 connect, I didn't connect it now. I
Okay,
didn't
ma'am.
connected it. To connect the tally in internet, you need the licensed one that tally people will give the configurations. Based on that only it's possible. With this education mode, it is very difficult to connect. I have not connected. That's what I will show you the path also. Now, guys, I repeat the shortcut key. Everyone must aware of this. Today, 2 or 3 shortcut keys you are going to learn. The first shortcut key. What is the shortcut key you learned? What is the name of the shortcut key?
Alt F1 shut company.
Now I'm
F1
doing. Yeah, I want to close my company. What is the shortcut key?
Alt F1.
Alt
Alt.
F1.
Very good. Now again I'm selecting. I selected my company. I used arrow keys. Enter. Okay, now I want to close my company. Now I want to shut company. What is the shortcut key?
Alt F1.
F1. Very good. This is a first command. Alt F1. Like this, you will be learning one more Alt F1 in the report. That is different perform. That's what I told you. Same key combination. Performance is different in different places. Alt F1 in the gateway of tally, it is used to shut company. Alt F1 in the report, it performs a different way that we will see later. Okay. Now, second, I want to alter. That is, I want to alter this company and I want to delete the company. That is my next operation in this tally. Or how can I go back to see the company creation? I made some mistake. That is nothing but alteration only. There is a one more shortcut key. What is the shortcut key, guys? Can you see? Can anyone guess and tell me what is this?
Alt F3, ma'am.
Alt F3, ma'am.
What is the name of the key?
Company info.
Company information.
Exactly, company info. Please note down this. Alt F3 or F3 below one underline company info. So 2 mark question ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. How to alter a company. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ notes ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Notes ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I made it ready everything, but I didn't share it with you. How to alter a company in tally. How to delete a company in tally. ಆ steps ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So first companyನ select ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Select a company. Then what is this key you said now? Alt F3.
F3.
I have to press Alt F3. When I press Alt F3, look at that. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್ ಮೆನು. ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇನ್ಫೋ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆನು ಬಂತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು Alt F3 ಒತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ Alt F3 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Alt F3 company info arrow mark alter, because I want to alter my company. Even ನಾನು ಡೆಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್. ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಂಟರ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಸ್, ನಾನು ಈ ಕಂಪನಿನೇ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್. 10 ಕಂಪನಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಆವಾಗ 10 ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 2-3 ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿನ ನೀವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್. Look at that. I have entered here. So I change my company name. Silicon BCom 4th sem company anta. And because I'm altering now. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಆಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಏನಾದಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. I will change my beginning date. ಇಲ್ಲ, I mentioned 1/5/2021. See, ಡೇಟಾ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಕಂಪನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 31 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, 31ಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 1/5 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ನೋ ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಕಂಪನಿ. So be very careful when you are entering financial year or updating the date in the company creation page. If you are working, if you lose the entire data, you will be liable for the imprisonment for 3 years. The company can put a case against you. So be careful. All computer related crimes, minimum 1.5 lakhs to 1 to 3 years imprisonment. So be careful when you're operating others ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ನಾವು ಇದು ಆಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಗೈಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೀ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಸಿ, ನಾವು ಇದು ಸುಮಾರು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎ, ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್, ಸೇವ್ ಆಲ್, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎ. ಸಿ, ಆ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಇಳಿತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎ. ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಗೆಟ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೀ. Guys, remember there are 2 important keys. One is enter, another one is escape. Enter is used to enter to the multiple screens. Escape is used to come out from multiple screens. ಹೊರಗ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಮೌಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬರೀ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್, ಮತ್ ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಇನ್ಫೋಗ್ ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಮೆನು ಗೆಟ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಇನ್ಫೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೆಟ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಬಟನ್. Please note down all this on the side. Escape and enter. Enter option is used to enter into multiple screen. Escape option is used to escaping from multiple screens. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, your final reachable place is this gateway of tally. Now you look at this current date ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ I have altered the company but I did not opened again. Freshly I have to close and I have to open. Only you see name of the company is changed. Silicon BCom 4th sem. ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ BCom 4th sem ಕಂಪನಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಡೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀ? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ.
Alter F.
Alt
F1.
Alt F1. I have closed the company. I have to select again the company. I'll select. Now you see the current date is updated 1st May. Yes or no, guys?
Ma'am.
When you alter that time the date would not updated. You have to shut the company then you have to open the company for the date. That is that mandatory. This is for the date. In rest of things updates quickly. ಡೇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪನಿನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಡೆಲಿಷನ್. Okay, but don't worry guys, if you don't understand, I repeat again, another 10 more minutes are there, no problem. I repeat this process again. Now I want to delete go alter go same step. So can anyone say alteration ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ?
Alt F3.
F3.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೆನುನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
Alter.
ಆಲ್ಟರ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೆಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಜನರಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೆಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, those transactions which is not ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ such kind of illegal transactions, they will record it in a different company. If they come to know any income tax issue or raid, immediately they will delete the data. Otherwise they can rename the company, again they will get caught because ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So delete the company. Don't delete any company without anybody else prior knowledge, but you should know how to remove the company permanently from the tally software. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ I am teaching this. Now I came to this company alteration screen. See, when you open second time through alteration, you can see the company alteration. Now I want to delete this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀ Alt D. ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೆಲೀಟ್. ಡೂ ಯು, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್. ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೋ, ನಾನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ಯು ಶ್ಯೂರ್? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಲ್ಟ್ ಡಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. So please take the screenshot of this. When you press Alt D, you will get first screen delete yes or no. Once you press yes, again it will ask, are you sure you want to delete? Yes. See, my company is deleted. Can I check? Nodi select company nodidre adu iralla. It is deleted permanently. Now again I have to create the company. I have to go to the company creation. Silicon company, mailing address Bangalore, India, Karnataka. Okay, Sandeep Aradia, quickly read this company creations points one by one. Sandeep,
Directory.
quickly
Yes,
read.
ma'am.
Read one by one.
That name, Silicon Company. Primary mailing details. Mailing name, Silicon Company. Address, JP Nagar, Bangalore. Country, India. State, Karnataka. PIN code 560062. Contact details, phone number, mobile number, tax number, email and website. Book of financial unit.
Yeah, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಆ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪನಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಯರ್. ಹಾ,
Financial year begins from 1st April 2021.
Okay. Next.
Book beginning from 1/5/2021.
Okay.
Security control.
Okay.
Tally vault password, if any. Repeat password. Warning. Getting tally vault password will render your data inaccessible. Use of security control. Enable security to avail TSS features.
ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್.
Base currency information. Base currency symbol. Formal name INR. Prefix symbol to amount no. Add space between amount and symbols yes. Show amount in millions no. Number of decimal places 2. word representing amount of decimals paise, number of decimal places for amount in words too.
Okay, very good. Who can say without seeing this base currency information all points? Anyone? Ready? Now I accepted the company I created now. See, I am in this company info menu. Now I go back to gateway of Tally Sandeep. Which key I have to press here?
Escape, ma'am.
Very good, fantastic. See, now out I want to alter this. Sandeep, can you tell how to alter the company? What is the shortcut
Alter
key
key,
I
ma'am.
should use? No, alter key is different. To go to alter key, I need to use one shortcut key. What is that?
Alt F3, ma'am.
Alt F3.
Alt
ma'am.
F3,
So,
ma'am.
Sandeep, you have not written it.
No.
Write it. Write it. See? Alt F3. Then, here, what I should select here?
Alter.
Alter.
Which option? Alter.
Alter
Select,
option, ma'am.
yeah, select the company. I'll change the name. I'll
Ma'am?
change. Yeah, tell me, Vinay.
If we alter name or if we change the name, the data gets deleted, ma'am. Only with
No. If you alter, only the name will be altered. If you change the date, then you have to whatever before the whatever date you change. For example, it is May 1st. I have mentioned earlier when I was creating. Okay. If I mention 1/4 April again, if I edit 1/4, the transactions which I have recorded from 1st May, the transactions will be erased.
Okay, ma'am.
So be careful when you are changing the date in the company creation page. If you are sure that no transactions have been recorded so far, then you can change the date. It will alert you. If you are trying to change the date, you will lose all the data. It will try to alert you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When you're
So there is
altering
no
the
problem with alternating the name. Only
yes.
that we change the rates, the data gets erased. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. Now I don't want to keep on press enter till reach the accept at the last line number of days. I want to use one shortcut key here to save all. What is the shortcut key?
Control A.
Control?
Control A.
Yeah, very good. See, it is saved. Sandeep, you have not note down the shortcut keys.
I have written everything, ma'am.
Now you tell me, Sandeep, I am in the company info. How do I come back to gateway of tally menu?
Escape.
Escape. Good. So look at this now. Current period, Sunday, 1st May, Silicon City College. Whatever. Whenever you create a company, you have to see the screen. Now, I want to delete this company. Who is ready to teach me how to delete the company?
Alt
Shortcut key, ma'am.
Huh?
Shortcut key.
No, what should I do now? Guys, you have to teach me now.
Alt plus F3.
You have
Ma'am,
to tell
Alt
me.
F3.
Yeah, you have to tell me properly that I'm a LKG student. You have to tell me press Alt F3, please, like that. Say.
Alt F3, ma'am. Click on the Alt F3, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Alter.
Let's select alter, ma'am.
Select alter. Very good. Okay. Then.
Now select Silicon City College Company, ma'am.
Okay. Selected. Now.
Now
Delete.
Alt D.
Alt D. Alt is the last
Alt
step.
D.
Yeah. Should I press
Now
enter?
click on yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Enter.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Again
And
yes.
once again enter, ma'am.
ಇವಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮೌಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಬಟ್ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಕೀ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Enter,
Enter.
ma'am. Enter,
ಓಕೆ.
ma'am.
ಇಫ್ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕೀ?
Escape.
Escape.
Wonderful, fantastic. Enter. Guys, do you understand how to create company, how to alter a company, how to delete a company?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are ready for 14 mark question?
Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic.
Yes,
Please,
ma'am.
guys, I want you guys to write full detail explanation. Okay. What you do that I haven't teach security control. Okay. So just you draw the screenshot, company creation. Will tell you how to write, what you have to do step by step. Name, mailing name, address, country, one by one. First you draw the complete screen, then write the points which is written in the screen one by one. Name. So leave only security control that I will teach in the next class. Okay. But remember the rough concepts, you should make it ready. Alteration and deletion steps. How to alter a company and how to delete a company. Once you learn the company creation, no need to enter all the field. Just put the name of the company. That is enough in Tally. Company alteration. Select a company. Alt F3. Select alter. Select the company. Alter the company and Control A. Save the alteration. Save the altered text. That is alteration. Deletion gege. Again, alt select the company. Alt F3. Alter. Select the company. Press Alt D. Delete yes or no. Press enter. Are you sure? Yes. Press yes. So the company will be deleted permanently from the drive. 1 minute. One last options I will show, then you can. I will take attendance, then you can. Silicon company. Mohammed Umar, are you there in the class? Total 59 students are there. See, the company is created. I will show the path. If you want to see the path of the company, again you have to go to alteration only. Oh no, no need that. And now how do I shut this company? What is the shortcut key, Sandeep, to shut the company? Sandeep? Or anyone? Alt?
Alt
Alt
F1.
Okay. So what are the shortcut keys you learned, guys? Can anyone list the shortcut keys today?
Ma'am, Alt F1 for shared company
Hmm.
and Control A for save all.
Hmm.
Alt D for delete company
Hmm. Then?
and Alt F4 for company information.
Hello?
F3. F3
F4,
ma'am.
F3
ma'am, sir.
Alt F3, company info. Okay. See, when you are mentioning Alt D, it is delete. Now you learnt that key in the company deletion. Further, if you want to delete the transaction, further you want to delete a ledger which you don't want, that also use the same shortcut key, that is Alt plus D. So Alt plus D is used to delete options in Tally. In the company creation, it deletes the company creation. In the ledger transactions, it deletes the ledgers or vouchers which is wrongly entered. Okay. Now you look at this path. C drive, user, public, tally.trpin in data. This company, Silicon company number is 10001. In the hard disk, it will not show as in this way. Only it will show the number. So I will show you that now. Okay. I'll minimize this. Anyone please note down this. If I forget, you can tell me. C colon user public tally.trp9. So my computer, C colon, C drive. What else? C drive, users.
Ma'am, we can't see that, ma'am.
You can't see?
No, ma'am.
1 second. Now can you see? Guys, can you see now? C colon,
Yes, ma'am.
user, public, tally.trp9, data. There are two companies. One is first one 10,000, next one is 10,001. So 10,001 is the silicon company which I've created now. Okay. Yes. Here it will show is the number. If you open, what are the related files will be there. But this, if you copy, you can copy it into pen drive, put it in other desktop in the same tally.trp9 data file. Okay. Guys, 1 second, I'll take the attendance. It's time up. 2 minutes. Okay, Alka present. Please tell your attendance and you go. Guys, I'm asking your attendance quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Alka is present.
Aarti, Archana, Ashok, Bhagyashri,
Present, ma'am.
Bhumika, Bhupati,
Archana present,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chaitra, Chandana,
Present, ma'am.
Gambar. Whoever said you can exit. Sujata, Deepa is absent. Dhanushri, Dhanushri.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Jayashri, Jeevita,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Shri, Pooja B, Pooja S,
Present, ma'am.
Pratana, Pratyusha, absent. Rajeshwari, Rakesh,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Pratyusha, Pratana, they were there. Rakesh present. Rashmi, good.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, ma, you can exit. Sahana, N. Sandeep,
Yes, ma'am.
Present,
Sandhya
ma'am.
KS,
Present, ma'am.
Shilpa
Sandhya.
Shreyas, yeah.
Present, ma'am.
Neha,
Present, ma'am.
Priya,
Present.
Vasanta Kumari,
Present,
Vinay,
Present, ma'am.
yeah, marked
Present,
present.
ma'am.
You can exit. Then Bhavana, Chitra, absent.
Ma'am.
Chitrashri, yeah. Yeah, Bindu, I marked present, ma. Marked present. You can exit. Chitrashri, absent. Chitrashri is absent today. Dayanand, absent. Deepika,
Present, ma'am.
okay, exit. Alka, you exit. I marked present. Dhanvantri, Irama,
Present, sir.
yeah.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Harini, Girish is absent. Javid, absent. Ambika,
Present, ma'am.
yeah, exit, ma. Lakshmi, Maheshwari,
Present, ma'am.
yeah. Manoj R, Maya,
Yes,
Mohammed Umar, Mohan,
Present, ma'am.
yeah, Navyashri,
ma'am.
Pooja,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Pooja Sharma, Pranati,
Present, ma'am.
okay, ma.
Present, ma'am.
Pranati is absent. Exit, guys. Pooja Sharma, exit. Pranati, she's there. Ranjit is absent. Sahana M,
Present,
Tanvi,
ma'am.
Shalini R,
Present, ma'am.
Shifa,
Present, ma'am.
yeah, Shilpa Kumari, Sneha R, Shilpa Kumari,
Present, ma'am.
Shilpa Kumari is present.
Ma'am, Sneha R is present.
Yeah, yes, okay.
Ma'am, Maruti. Pratyusha present.
Aarti, I marked present, ma. You exit.
Ma'am, Alka is present.
Yeah, I've given.